You all love dinosaurs, right? It's funny, because I love that they died, and I'm here to tell you about it. If you aren't familiar with the death of the dinosaurs, they went extinct about 65 million years ago. It was called the KT extinction, and there are two main popular theories: a humongous asteroid crashed into the Earth, or that there was a massive rise in volcanic activity. The main supporting evidence of the asteroid impact is Chicxulub's crater. There are claims for and against it, which provide support for the asteroid impact. One being that the frogs survived the extinction even though they shouldn't have, and the other being that it was 300,000 years before the extinction, though that one is not proven. Now for the massive rise of volcanic activity, of which there is more supporting evidence. It was believed to have clogged the atmosphere and made the air unbreathable. Some of the more main points for this rise of volcanic activity is as goes. There are large patterns of lava flow dated to the time period, where metals found that are only formed by large lava flow and pressure, fractal crystals, and of course the fossil records.
There's also supporting evidence that the asteroid and the rise of volcanic activity are hand in hand.
The KT mass extinction decimated 3/4 of all plant and animal life. This completely threw the food chain and ecosystems in utter chaos. The main survivors were birds, frogs, salamanders, and fish. Of course, some land animals survived, and you have the aquatic animals that survived as well. It is thought that some of the animals survived by burrowing deep underground and survived the heat. These were only the smaller ones that were able to do so. The larger mammals and dinosaurs were mostly killed off by the heat, and when the earth had cooled down, the smaller animals came out of the burrows to find their food chain decimated. There were other options, such as insects and aquatic plants, and they were able to survive. And they also began to evolve, having to adapt to these changes. You see a very important group of carnivorous mammals, the creodonts. You see the well-known genus of Gastornis, the large flightless birds, were also in there. And then they were so big that they were able to feed on the first torches of Earth, which is cool, I guess. And another, I guess you could call it, big event that occurred was the first installment in the genus Homo, the Homo habilis.
One of our earliest ancestors. Of course, we evolved more and more, and now we are Homo sapiens sapiens.
Yeah, thanks, Josh.